Okay, we're talking about the thyroid vein. We have three thyroid veins. We have superior, we have middle, we have inferior. Of course, we have right and left. So we have right superior, right middle, right inferior. And we have left superior, left middle, left inferior. Okay, so the right and left superior and middle thyroid vein, they drain into the internal jugular vein. So as you can see here, so this is superior thyroid vein. It drains into the internal jugular vein, and we have the middle thyroid vein, which it drains also into the internal jugular vein. So the right side drains into the right jugular vein, and the left side it drains into the left jugular vein. As you can see here, same thing. And that's a middle, it drains into the internal jugular vein. However, the inferior thyroid vein, it drains into the brachiocephalic vein, which is this big trunk. This trunk is formed by the union of the subclavian vein and the internal jugular vein. They unite together to form this trunk, which is called brachiocephalic vein or trunk. Sometimes it has another name, which is called innominate. So we have right and we have left. So the inferior thyroid vein drains into the right side, drains into the right brachiocephalic vein, and the left side, as you can see here, drains into the left brachiocephalic vein. And then this trunk will eventually form, these two trunks will form the superior vena cava. Okay, to learn this story easily and quickly, so we have three rods. So this is big and middle-sized rods to inform us that we're talking about the superior and middle thyroid vein, and they are wearing bow tie that is the shape of the thyroid gland, and it's in blue to remind us we're talking about vein. So the two of us are on the top of the table to remind us that it's superior and middle, and they're both going inside this blue jug. Inside to remind us internal jug, it means jugular vein. So the superior middle-sized thyroid vein drains into internal jugular vein. However, the small-sized, which is below the table or inferior to the table, to remind us we're talking about the inferior thyroid vein, and is draining into brachiocephalic. So this rat is going to the Catholic Church, and there is the woman left her bra to remind us brachi, and Catholic to remind cephalic. They rhyme, right? So we're talking about brachiocephalic vein.